Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brian Lovett, aka BLove. Today we're going to take a look at the Nintendo Switch, and I'm going to show you how to fix it when the screen no longer turns on. Let's jump into it. The situation happened to my kids just a few weeks ago. They went to play Luigi Mansion 3 on their Nintendo Switch, and it simply wouldn't turn on. No matter what they did, whether it was in the dock or plugged in directly, there simply wasn't any power and the screen would not respond. Now, the screen protector was cracked, so my first instinct was that my kids had dropped it and accidentally broken the Nintendo Switch. But before I called up Nintendo to get this repaired and replaced, I decided to do a little research and find out what was actually happening. It turns out, much like your personal computer, these have a sleep mode function, in which, after a set period of time, they actually go into a deep sleep. Now, the problem arises when they won't come out of that deep sleep, and that's what was happening here. So what's the solution then? Very simply, you hold down the power button on the top for about 12 seconds. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once you release it, you'll press it once again, and now you should get the Nintendo logo. When you see the Nintendo logo, what you've done is you've performed a hard reset on the system, and now it'll start to work again. If this doesn't work, one thing you want to try first is to ensure that it's properly charged. If it's not charged, it may not turn on, and you also want to make sure that it's disconnected from power when you do this, just so it gets a full reset. And if everything went to plan, you should be greeted by the welcome screen on your Nintendo Switch, and you should be able to jump right back in and get back to gaming. Now, if for whatever reason this didn't work out for you, it may indicate that you have a deeper problem that needs to be sent off to Nintendo in order to solve. I would start first, however, by plugging in the Nintendo and letting it fully charge for a few hours. Try the reset again and go from there. Hopefully this solved your problem. If it did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and let me know in the comments what you think or if you have any other questions. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.